Did you know that deep beneath the waves lurks an octopus so clear it's nearly invisible? That's right. The glass octopus, with its almost completely transparent body, lets it glide unseen through the ocean. Why transparent, you ask? It's all about survival. This see-through skin camouflages it from predators lurking above and sneaky prey below. But wait, it gets cooler. Despite being mostly invisible, the glass octopus has visible guts and eyes. Imagine seeing a floating pair of eyes and a digestive system in the deep blue. These elusive creatures are not just about looks, they're deep divers. They can venture up to 400 meters below the ocean's surface. That's deeper than the Statue of Liberty is